Hello student, today we are starting our mathematics class again, so hope you will enjoy these classes, and if you like these videos then please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for getting the latest update. Let us see, we are starting the new topic today. It is from class 12th. So the topic we are taking today is very important topic. It is continuity. It is very much connected with class 11th. There we have discussed a topic called limit. So something enhanced in that topic we are discussing. Students, see this example. Some diagrams I am making here. Try to just read these diagrams only. Some graphs of the functions. I am not writing the functions from which these graphs I have taken. Just you analyze this graph. Suppose there is some functions which represent this kind of the curves. What comes in your mind, you will have to read your mind. So these graphs, just like that I am drawing, just like that. There is a graph like it may be possible. It may be possible that graph represent like this. Some others, like it may be possible the graph of the function, it will be of this type. So these some graphs, just for your basic knowledge I am drawing, so that you can have some idea about the continuity, what we are going to learn in this topic. Once it will be clear to your mind, we can go further. So if you will analyze these all graphs, we have seen this graph somewhere in the mathematics. You may find this in your textbook, in reference books, or maybe some I have just taken from my mind only. I have not taken from any book. Out of these following graphs, you will have to give me the answer of some of the questions which I will put up after drawing these all. See now, these some graphs I have drawn. These are the rough sketch of the functions I have taken. See, if you will analyze the first one, here there is some values we are getting, and at some values we are getting this type of the rough sketch, but there is a difference between these two. Both the sketches are not connected. Here if you will go to the second one, if you will notice, then here in the plane this graph I have drawn at this 0 value. If you will analyze this graph, from if it is greater than 0, the value is like this, but at 0 it is not equal to this value. But if it is less than 0, then the value of the function is this, but it is not this at 0. At 0, the value of the function is this particular value, which is I have shown by the big black dot. Similarly, if you will see the third graph, if you will analyze this one, then there is a kind of a smooth curve, and this smooth curve, there is a hole here. Now suppose at x is equal to a, but at x is equal to a, this graph is not connected. there is also again a discontinuity here. Now this is not connected at x is equal to a. At x is equal to a, it is having this particular value. Okay, let us see now this fourth one. If you will analyze, this is the graph I have drawn. Fx is equal to modulus x. This is very much smooth curve, which if you want you can draw without lifting your pencil or pen. In a single draw you can easily draw this graph. At the same time, this fifth one also, if you will analyze, very smooth curve I have drawn in a single time, just like that I have drawn without lifting the marker. So you will have to analyze from this graph, like what is the difference between these. If you will see the first one, second one, third one, out of this all five, which one you will consider as continuous curve? Which one you will say this curve is continuous? Will you say first one is continuous? Will you say second one is continuous? Or the third one is continuous? Give your answer. Will you say the fourth one is continuous or the fifth one? So definitely your answer for the first one is it is not continuous. You will say whether you do not know or know the continuity, but your answer with the help of this graph will be like it is not continuous. This is also we will say not continuous, and here also we will say it is also not continuous. But the fourth one definitely you will say yes, it is continuous. And the fifth one also definitely you will say yes, it is continuous. So the just a rough idea about the continuity if you will ask. So you got that idea. The meaning of the continuity is this only, whatever you understood. If you can draw the graph of a function without lifting your pen or the marker, then that function is called continuous function. But how it happens? Let us see how it happens mathematically. It happens like if we are talking about suppose this graph, why it is continuous and how to check the continuity, that we will have to discuss now. So if you will talk about this value at x is equal to 0, so in the class 11th student you have learned one topic called limits. If you will find the limit of this function at x is equal to 0, so there you will have to find a limit x tends to 0 minus fx, which you used to call left hand limit, if you can recall your previous knowledge. Same time you will also have to find the value limit x tends to 0 plus fx, which you can say this is right hand limit. And if these two value and the value of this function at x is equal to 0, these all three gives you the same result everywhere on this curve, everywhere, then you can say this is continuous. Same idea, I'll just elaborate here. Suppose I have taken one point here, this is suppose I have taken x is equal to 2. This is a polynomial function, the graph you can study, and if you will recall your previous knowledge, polynomial functions are limit exists everywhere, and if you are talking about at x is equal to 2, so you need to find, for checking the continuity of this function at x is equal to 2, you need to find left hand limit at x is equal to 2. You need to find right hand limit at x is equal to 2, and the third, value of the function at x is equal to 2. While these three gives you the same result, we can say the function is continuous. Means you are saying limit x tends to 2 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus fx is equal to f of 2. While these three will give you the same result, same value, then we can say the given function is continuous function. The same approach is here also. If it is not continuous, if the given function is not continuous, like this one is not continuous at this value x is equal to a, so we can say it is discontinuous function. If it is not continuous, similarly here also it is what? Discontinuous function. And similarly this is also, we can say, discontinuous function. So this is also not continuous. So if it is continuous, then we will call it is continuous. If it is not, we call it discontinuous or not continuous. So we got a formula from here. Let me rub this now. I'll write the conclusion. I'll write some conclusion which just we had find out. So the conclusion is what? For continuity, we can say, see, the conclusion is what? Number one, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function at, suppose a, left hand limit at a, right hand limit at a, and value of the function at a. If these three gives you the same result, we can see the function is continuous. Now I'll give you some example. I'll take some example so that you can understand this in more detail. See now, I'll give you some example now. So I'll take one function, student. Here I'll take one example. Suppose one function I have taken fx is equal to, if it is suppose 2x plus 5. You know it is a polynomial, or we want to check whether it is continuous at x is equal to 2 or not. This is one example I have taken. Fx is equal to 2x plus 5. We want to check it is continuous or not. So how we will check? Let us see. The first step, in step I am telling you so that you can easily solve the question. Like step 1, what you will do? Check left hand limit at x is equal to 2. Step 2, what you will do? Check right hand limit at x is equal to 2. And step 3, what you will do? Find value of the function at x is equal to 2. So these three you will have to do step by step, and further you will come to know whether the function is continuous and not. For discontinuity, before that I will just say this thing. For discontinuity, what all are the condition? And for continuity, these three are the condition. We haven't discussed how it can be discontinuous. It can be discontinuous. I am just writing here. For discontinuity, student, you can see if left hand limit it is not equal to right hand limit, function can be discontinuous. Second, if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit but not equal to value of the function, then also it can be discontinuous. And similarly we can say if left hand limit and left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit but right hand limit is equal to value of the function, then also it can be discontinuous. So these are the some of the types of the discontinuity we can say. So let us see this particular question we want to solve using these three steps. So I am just telling you how we will solve this. We can solve this. Our function is, it is 2x plus 5. At x is equal to 2, we want to check the continuity. So the solution goes like left hand limit at x is equal to 2, we can find limit x tends to 2 minus fx. You can recall your previous knowledge how we used to find the left hand limit in class 11th. 2 minus fx, which will give you limit x tends to 2 minus 2x plus 5. So we will put up this value here directly. It will give you 2 into 2 plus 5. It will give you 9. Similarly, we will find, student, right hand limit at x is equal to 2. So you can check here now. This is a limit x tends to 2 plus fx. It is limit x tends to 2 plus 2x plus 5. Similarly, you will solve here also, you will get the value which is equal to 9. Value of the function you will check, yani f of 2 if you will find 2 into 2 plus 5, here also we are getting 9. So these three values, if you will notice, these three results are same. So we can say left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function. Hence fx is equal to 2x plus 5 is continuous at x is equal to 2. So this is the procedure we will have to follow for checking the continuity of any function. There are different types of the functions you may get. You will have to check using these three steps. Thank you.